A review on stress, stressors, their effects, and adaptive response. This important article is authored by the following scientists: stress, derived from the Latin stringere, meaning to draw tight. Stress is the physiological and psychological reactions of the organisms to forces of a deleterious nature that tend to disturb its normal equilibrium. Even though understanding of stress started in the 17th century itself, it has changed rapidly through centuries with changes in the conditions of life and circumstances. Seeley, 1956, the father of stress, researching stress, coined the terms eustress and distress to designate positive and negative stresses, respectively. Further, it is classified into physical stress, psychological stress, psychosocial stress, behavioral stress, physiological stress, immunological stress, etc., depending on the pressure on the life of a human being. Seeley in 1975 proposed the phenomenon known as general adaptation syndrome, which is also known in the literature as Seeley's syndrome. Nonetheless, Seeley, 1975, also coined the term stressor to refer to the causative event or stimulus as opposed to the result of stress. Whether it is an intrinsic or extrinsic stressor, it results in disease, and this diseased condition may be due to the involvement of genes. Thus, there is genomic instability in the form of chromosomal aberrations, and the frequency of this has been shown to increase dramatically due to anthropogenic activities in the 21st century. However, nature has gifted the biological systems to overcome this problem with mechanisms called genetic repair mechanisms. One such mechanism is called adaptive response. This phenomenon has been observed from viruses to humans, thus universal in nature. All the above aspects are explained in detail, and befitting conclusions are given in this review paper to further understand the intricacies involved in stress, its genetics, and their implications. Introduction. The concept of stress has evolved significantly over time. Originally, the word had no clear meaning until the 1920s, and earlier it simply referred to hardship or pressure. In the 17th century, philosopher John Locke suggested that our thoughts, emotions, and bodily functions were influenced by the brain's response to experiences. This idea helped shape modern psychology, linking stress to life experiences and body chemistry. Over time, stress came to mean not just emotional strain, but also physical and mental pressure from daily demands. Today, stress is seen as a reaction involving the mind, body, and behavior. It affects how we feel, think, and act, and is influenced by both personal challenges and the environment. With advances in biology, especially the discovery of DNA and cell structures, our understanding of stress has deepened, making it a key topic in health and science discussions. Conclusion. This article explores how stress affects the body and how living organisms respond to it. Stress happens when something, either from the environment or within the body, disturbs its normal balance. These triggers, called stressors, can lead to different types of stress, such as short-term, acute, long-term, chronic, good, eustress, bad, distress, physical, psychological, or even stress at the genetic level. When stressors affect the body's DNA, they can cause genetic damage, also known as genomic instability. Fortunately, nature has built-in repair systems that help protect our genes from damage. One important defense is called the adaptive response, which helps the body react and repair damage, especially when exposed to certain harmful chemicals like EMS and MMS. The article presents a range of scientific evidence from different animal studies showing how this adaptive response helps maintain genetic stability and protect health. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.